In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to blow dry long, thick, frizzy hair more easily with the T360 blow dryer nozzle. Just direct the air downward or in the same direction as a cuticle of the hair shaft. Take out about 80 to 90% of the moisture. Remember to never blast or blow directly into the hair or against the grain of the cuticle, because that will make the hair frizzy. Redirect the air with a nozzle, not your arm. Now you can section the hair and continue to polish each section with the nozzle, blowing the hair in the same direction as a cuticle. Pinning each section will also make the set last longer and reduce frizz. Repeat this on each section and see how you can really get behind the cuticle of the hair shaft to make it shiny. Make sure that all the sections are dry and cool, and then you can unpin. Now, if I had have pre-dried or rough dried her hair by blasting into her hair and against a cuticle, I would have made it frizzy. But as you can see, I didn't, and her hair is shiny and smooth, and it's a really pretty style.